God will lift you up again. You may feel knocked down, forgotten, or too broken to rise again. But listen, the same God who lifted people out of the pit in Scripture is the same God who will lift you up again. Don't scroll. This message is for your heart today. Life has a way of pushing us to the ground. Disappointments, heartbreaks, failures we didn't expect, moments where we don't even recognize ourselves anymore. But hear this, God has never once left a child of his on the ground. Every time life knocks you down, God writes a new chapter, one that lifts you higher than before. 1 Peter 5-6 says, "Humble yourselves under the mighty hand of God, and in due time he will lift you up." Due time means God's time, not yours. Maybe you've been waiting, praying, crying, wondering when your due time will come. But God is not delayed, he is preparing. Preparing strength, preparing restoration, preparing doors you never imagined. Maybe you fell, maybe you made mistakes. Maybe life hit you so hard that you don't even know how to start again. But listen, your fall is not your finish. Your setback is not your story. Your pain is not permanent, because every valley you walk through becomes a testimony of God's lifting power. Think about Joseph, thrown into a pit, forgotten in prison. Yet in God's time, God lifted him higher than he could ever dream. Think about Job, broken, crushed, empty, yet God restored him double. Think about David, running for his life, hiding in caves, yet God lifted him to the throne. When God lifts you up, no person can push you down. No enemy can block it, no failure can stop it. No season can delay it. And I want to tell you something personal. You are not staying where you are. You will rise again. Your strength will return. Your peace will return. Your joy will return. Your fire will return. Because God is lifting you even now, even when you can't see it, even when you don't feel it, even when everything looks still. God is working behind the scenes, arranging your comeback. So don't give up, don't quit, don't count yourself out. God specializes in lifting broken people, and he's about to lift you. If this message spoke to you, don't leave without doing this. Type Amen in the comments, share this video with someone who needs to rise again, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss more messages that lift your spirit and build your faith. God is not done with you. Your rising season is here, and God will lift you up again.